Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Do you want to use Afterpay with Cash App but the option isn't showing up? You're not alone. Even though Block Inc. added Afterpay features to Cash App, many users still can't find it. In this video, we'll explain why that happens and how you can fix it. We'll guide you step by step to help you unlock and use Afterpay in your Cash App easily. Look, we're on the official Cash App website, and in the Afterpay section they have mentioned available to pay over time with Afterpay. This means the Afterpay option won't show up as Afterpay or Buy Now Pay Later in Cash App. Instead, it will appear under the name Pay Over Time. Many people can't find the Afterpay option in their Cash App because they're searching for it using the terms Afterpay or Buy Now Pay Later. So just for your information, Cash App has clearly mentioned on its official website that the Afterpay option will appear as Pay Over Time. Now, let's move to the mobile screen and see what kind of options show up. When you open your Cash App and go to the offers page, you'll see the names of many stores, and under each name, it will say Pay Over Time. For example, Amazon Pay Over Time, Walmart Pay Over Time, and so on. These options have already been added to the Cash App. Suppose you are buying something from Amazon. You need to click on Pay Over Time Amazon. Once you click on it, more store options will appear, and you have to click on Amazon. Then click on Shop Now. After that, select your item, then click OK, and then click on Pay Over Time. Here, you'll see the full description of the product, including how much fee you're paying and what the total amount is. If you scroll down, you'll also see the due dates of your 4 EMIs. After that, you have to click Continue and then click Save. That's how you can make purchases using your Cash App. 1 EMI will be deducted directly from your Cash App balance, and you'll get the dates for the remaining 3 installments. If you don't see this option in your Cash App, it's possible that you're not eligible for Afterpay yet. This option is not yet available for all users. It's being rolled out gradually to eligible accounts. To get detailed information about your specific case, you can contact Cash App customer support.